Personal injury law at Michigan. Personal injury. The term personal injury is described as any harm caused to a person, such as a broken bone, a cut, a bruise, truck or auto accident, the broken ankle from slipping on a sidewalk, to spastic paralysis caused through any medical negligence. A personal injury occurs when someone suffered from some form of injury, either physical or psychological, as the result of an accident or medical malpractice. A personal injury, physical or psychological, can have long or short-term effects. Injury or disease resulting from someone else's negligence is often a very traumatic and worrying experience. You may feel vulnerable and unsure of your own rights and responsibilities during this difficult time. Any type of bodily injury as a result of an attack, negligence, or accident can also be categorized as the same, and you can file a lawsuit to recover damages from whoever is responsible for your injuries. Any type of bodily injury as a result of an attack, negligence, or accident can also be categorized as the same, and you can file a lawsuit to recover damages from whoever is responsible for your injuries. Personal injury accidents are on the rise. It's estimated that every year more than 90,000 people in the United States die due to personal injuries, and even more are injured, but must live with the painful effects of their injury for many years. Claim for personal injury. If a person has suffered by a personal injury of any kind, due to incidental or negligence of other party, then in that case one have legal or civil right to claim for the injury and track back their life as soon as possible. Making the claim is still a legal procedure, and there is far more involved than just filling in a form and then getting the compensated money a few weeks later. Depending on the type of case, there are many restrictions and pitfalls to making the claim. The key is to get a solicitor that has experience in your type of claim. That way they can advise you of everything you need to know prior to even starting the case. Figuring out how much your accident injuries are worth is a critical aspect of any personal injury claim, and it's the part of a claim that is most difficult to determine. Personal injury claims can be complicated and time-consuming, but with the help of specialist solicitors, the process can be made much more simple and quick. The most common type of personal injury claims are road traffic accidents, accidents at work, tripping accidents, assault claims, accidents in the home, defective product accidents, and holiday accidents. However, many families don't realize that they may be due just compensation under the law for their injuries. Other families are grieving in the midst of a loss and don't realize they may also be due just compensation for the personal injury accident that took their loved one from them. If you or a member of your family has been the victim of a personal injury accident, you need experienced, competent, and reliable personal injury lawyers. If your family resides in or across Michigan, Hirsch Law Firm is the first and best option for your personal injury case. There are two components to any personal injury case: damages and liability. Most personal injury cases are settled out of court by negotiating with the defendant's insurance company. If a negotiation cannot be reached in this manner, a complaint of law must be filed in civil court, most often in the state's circuit court in the county in which the injury occurred. When making a personal injury claim, there are statutes of limitations set to define the time between when an injury occurs and when the claim can be filed. These statutes vary from state to state and may be different depending on the type of injury involved. About this author, http://www.accidentspersonalinjurylawfirms.com/ Francisco Rodriguez is the online marketing manager for personal injury solicitors to represent clients wanting to pursue a personal injury claim on a no-win, no-fee basis.